Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make delicious hot chocolate fudge at home. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of unsweetened cocoa powder, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1/2 cup of unsalted butter. Don't forget 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract and a small pinch of salt to enhance the flavors. Also, prepare a 9 by 9 inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper, leaving some overhang for easy removal later. Now let's get cooking. In a medium, heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine your 1/2 cup of butter, 1 cup of cocoa powder, and the entire can of sweetened condensed milk. Place the saucepan over medium heat. It's crucial to stir this mixture continuously to prevent scorching. Keep stirring until the mixture comes to a gentle boil. Once boiling, continue to cook and stir for approximately 5 minutes, allowing it to thicken nicely. Once your fudge mixture has thickened, remove the saucepan immediately from the heat. This is the perfect moment to stir in your 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, which adds a wonderful depth of flavor. Work quickly to pour the hot fudge evenly into your prepared 9 by 9 inch pan. Spread it out smoothly with a spatula. Now, the hardest part. Place the pan in the refrigerator and let it chill for a minimum of 2 hours or until it's completely firm. After the fudge has thoroughly chilled and set, it's time to enjoy your creation. Use the parchment paper overhang to carefully lift the entire block of fudge out of the pan. Place it onto a clean cutting board. With a sharp knife, cut the fudge into small, delicious 1-inch squares. This recipe yields about 64 pieces of rich, chocolatey goodness. Store any remaining fudge in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 7 days to maintain its freshness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.